The best door awning will provide the perfect combination of protection and style for your home. A high-quality door awning will provide long-lasting protection from the elements. Made of durable materials, these door awnings will not only stand up to the elements. In this video I am going to give you an impartial review when I am covering 5 best door awnings in the market, which are the best for you. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance or its particular user use, if you want more information and updated pricing of the products mentioned in the video, be sure to check the links in the description below. And don't forget to subscribe. So let's get started. Number 1. Do-It-Ye Outdoor Front Door Window Awning. Do-It-Ye aluminum awning features craftsmanship using premium materials. It is guaranteed durability and quality. This window awning made with a polyester blend fabric is washable and quickly dries. It features a solid structure with good strength and easy operation. It's perfect for house decoration and measures 41.343 x 21.263 watts x 3.153 h. This 200 x 100 door awning is constructed with high-quality ABS and polycarbonate. It is durable and wear-resistant. The aluminum bracket provides strong support for the canopy, which has a small shield shape. This canopy is easy to install and remove. It's also washable and quickly dries up. It can effectively resist rain or scorching sun from going into your house while still providing great decoration. Product specifications include a bracket material of ABS and a hollow sheet material of 5.0 mm polycarbonate. Fixing bars material of aluminum and the color of the black bracket. Dimensions are 78.74 x 39.37 x 9.843 200 x 100 x 25 cm, liters x WXH, with a weight of 9.26 pounds 4.2 kilograms. This package includes one eaves canopy. Number 2. Vivohum Polycarbonate Door Awning. The Vivohum awning is a perfect choice for those looking for protection from the elements. Made of durable polycarbonate panel, ABS brackets, and aluminum stripe. This awning is available in black and has 2 sizes, 4080 brown and 4120 transparent. This stylish and functional awning is ideal for residential and commercial outdoor applications. It provides shelter from the sun, rain, snow, and harmful UV rays. At the same time, create an inviting entrance for your home or business with this awning. It has a modern look with a neutral color that matches any home's aesthetic. The package comes with all the necessary installation and wall mounting hardware accessories, so you can have your awning up and ready on time. The durable material is designed to stand the test of time and provide reliable outdoor decoration. The included instructions make installation easy and stress-free. Number 3. UA Polycarbonate Door Awning. The 100 x 100 household door awning is an excellent choice for protecting your entryways from the rain and sun. Made from durable and wear-resistant ABS and polycarbonate materials, this UA product is a unique combination of classic elegance and modern construction. The UA product is carefully constructed for maximum strength and durability. It's built for easy operation. The item weight is 134.04 ounces and it is available in one size. This item is easy to install and remove. It is highly waterproof and able to resist rain and scorching sun from entering the house. It's also washable and quick drying. This product has multifunctional uses and ensures a long life. The refined quality of the product guarantees strength and quality. The solid structure ensures easy use. It has an aluminum bracket for strong support and a slightly rounded shape for a small shield. The eaves canopy can also serve as a decorative piece for your home. Number 4. Numage Door Awnings. The Numage Awnings aluminum door canopy with support arms is an excellent choice for weather protection. This stylish and durable awning is made of a heavy-duty mill-finish aluminum framework and is 48 inches wide. It features support arms which provide additional stability, protection while its white finish complements any home, office, or business exterior. This awning is designed to withstand harsh weather and provide excellent protection. It is an ideal choice for enhancing the curb appeal of your property while adding functional coverage with its easy installation and attractive finish. Its support arms require a minimum of 3 inches of mounting space over the door, while the side wings require 13 inches of mounting space. The vented side wings feature a white finish with a mill finish framework. Number 5. Monobloom Door Awnings. This monobloom door awning awning is available in a clear finish that will match any exterior and will bring a modern flair to your entryway. Its sleek and stylish design will add dramatic flair to doorways, porches, and balustrades. This door awning measures 953 x 353. This awning is crafted with great attention to detail and built to the highest quality standards. The aluminum frame is lightweight yet strong enough to withstand years of heavy use and provides superior protection. Vented panels are designed to reduce the possibility of billowing and sagging. Durable polycarbonate panels and ABS brackets are designed to provide optimal shielding. These awnings offer reliable protection against all weather conditions from the bright summer sun to heavy rains and snow. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification to get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier.